Well, I made it. It feels good to be back at the ocean. Just sitting here. The sun just went down. The colors are pretty. So I think we have a nice little thing going on here. There's my favorite little cement ship. And it feels good to be in California again. I mean, it's only going to be for a couple of days, but it's alright. I like it here. This is like my place that I like to watch the sunset because nobody chases you off here. You can just sit here and look at the clouds and relax. The park's closing, you gotta get out. I can fly the drone, there's no rules. Although I just landed, right, after a little flight, and the freaking plane, literally, he's flying lower than I am. I'm up on a cliff. You see how there's all cliffs along the beach? I'm up on the cliff. He flew under us, and he flew right over the cement ship. He would have nailed my freaking drone, and then I would have been the one in trouble. And I'm not in a place that you're not allowed to fly. But you know, look how pretty that is.